Well, here I am, Mike. It's after work, sitting here in my computer chair with my beautiful dog Finnegan. He's on the couch, and I just put up my travel memorabilia around my there's my new monitor. I can't show you my e-bike because that's out in the garage being charged, so I can ride on it. And there's my new air conditioner. There's my wall. There's my new air conditioner right there. I could turn a light on it. Hold on. Well, it's not working so good. Hold on here. There's my new air conditioner. And my memorabilia on my wall. Kind of dark over there. There's a picture there. There's another stuff. More stuff there. There's a nice monitor. Yep, there's my air conditioner. It's running full blast. There's my other computer. There's my new DSL high-speed modem. I'm going to do wireless now on my notebook. Got my web code all set up and my names, and I'm all ready to go. So, that's it. Finnegan, say goodbye. Say goodbye, Finny. Say bye-bye, Michael.